In this video, I'm going to show you a $100 million website that has over 60,000 free resources, and each of them can make you money individually. As an example, this website makes approximately $53,000 per month. Now you might be asking, how do I know all these money figures? To prove my point, here is one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts, and you can see $126,597 in passive affiliate commissions. And the whole money is controlled by these two control points. And in a moment, I'm going to reveal all these and connect the dots for you. So you will understand how to literally print money using the power of affiliate marketing. Without experience, without technical knowledge, or your own product. But before we move forward, one thing you might have noticed that it's about websites. And we know that creating website and creating content is not easy because they take time and money. And that is why, in order to save time and money of creating website and content, we built an AI software, Maven. And Maven creates money-making websites in 2 to 3 minutes just by copying and pasting other people's websites URL. And it's done by legally hijacking their content using the power of artificial intelligence. Maven is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. But before that, let me show you how Maven works.
Hey, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to Maven app, and let's snatch some authority content and traffic. First, this is the login page, and use these boxes to log in. You are in. Super awesome. Now everybody is talking about iPhone 13, its battery, its cameras. We want to review it, but we don't have time for it. So we found some authority blog. We want to hijack it. All you have to do is to copy this URL, click this add blog button, and paste this URL and click create. Boom, your content is ready. The images are ready. You can change them from here, do some formatting in this text editor, and add your links using this box. Let's open in a new window and click save. Add another bold, italic, and link if you want, or as many as you want because you want more links. Maybe you want to make it bold and italic, and that's it. Click save. Oh yes, you have to add a blog title. Done. Click save. Yes. Now the magical part. The authority content is hijacked, but it's a hijacked content. You want to make it yours and you want to make it unique. That's where this spin block content button comes in. Just one click and the content is rewritten to the highest quality, just like a human written content. Go click save. Boom. Now you want to add some more images. Yeah, that makes sense. Click anywhere. Click this image button. Use any of these options. Let's say use Pixabay. Use your search term, searched and found, and you want to choose this. Click. Your image is added. Super cool, right? Now you want to add more. Just one click and add more. Now you may want to add a video. All you need is the embed code of a video. Click anywhere you want to add, click the video button and paste the video embed code. Click add, and your video is added. Wow, super cool, right? Click save. Fill all this information, add your name, add description, anchor tags, and category, and hit publish now. Boom, your blog post is ready. Your authority blog post is ready. Click view and it opens. Wow, that's so awesome. Ready to make money for you. Is this your link? Open link in new window. Yes. So what you waiting for? Go grab your Maven access right now and hijack traffic from authority sites. Go do it.
Maven is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it right now. Don't you think we deserve a like and share? Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, so not only you, but also your friends and family can learn how to make money online. And subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And let's move on. So the $100 million website I was talking about is none other than WordPress.org. It's a website creation platform, and over 40% of all websites on the internet are built using WordPress. Unfortunately for the WordPress users, but fortunately for money makers, WordPress comes with a lot of problems, and that is also why we built Maven. But these problems are not today's topic. I will have to make another video for this, but today's topic is about making money from one of the 60,000 elements. These elements are called plugins. These plugins make WordPress useful, and without these plugins, WordPress is a basic website builder, and it's almost impossible to make a professional and a useful website using WordPress without this plugin. Now you're looking at the plugin section of WordPress.org, and Elementor Website Builder is one of the most popular plugins. Over 5 million websites are built using Elementor, and Elementor is literally ClickFunnels killer. It can create any type of website using drag and drop interface. And most of the important features of Elementor are free, but it also has a paid version. Okay, you might not be interested in Elementor, but it can make you money in two ways. You can make money by building your own website, or you can make money by building websites of your clients and charge money for your work. And that comes with another problem that can make you $53,000 per month like this website. Keep watching to see how to make money like this website starting today. But before that, back to Elementor for a moment, which needs much more than the basic version to make it useful. And for that, there are thousands of Elementor add-ons in the market just to make Elementor useful. If you search on Google with the keyword Elementor, you will find this website called ultimateelementor.com. It provides 40 plus widgets and extensions, 100 plus website templates, 200 plus section blocks. By the way, I'm not an affiliate of this website, but they have an affiliate program. At the bottom of their page, go and click this affiliate program link and you will be taken to this page. You can join their affiliate program and earn 30% commissions from every purchases through your link. Okay, now we are coming to money. How do we make money, or how do you make money? It's time to reveal this website, the sideblogger.com. This is how it looks like. Decent design. It talks about how to design your blog the smart way, plus free templates. This website simply created a blog post, but you don't need to worry about a blog post content or website because you have Maven. Maven is free to start, link is in the description. But what I meant to say is they created a blog post with valuable and helpful information for the readers, and they shared these blog posts with Pinterest using pins or images just like this. And if you look at their traffic analytics, a lot of their traffic comes from Pinterest. And that's how they get 53,000 visitors. Okay, wait, not all of that traffic are coming from Pinterest. A lot of that traffic comes from search engine. But search engine traffic land on this website when the visitors from other sources love their content and spend a long time on their website. So this search engine traffic is basically the effect of creating good content and sharing this content with social media like Pinterest. So it's mostly about creating good content, quality content, and sharing that content with social media like Pinterest. Now it's time to reveal the two control points of my affiliate income. You see, $126,000 in affiliate commissions come from 111,000 hops or clicks or traffic. And the second control point is this, $1.13 per hop. So that's the money we earn per click or per visitor. So from our results, we can safely say that this website is also making $53,000 per month. But wait a minute, when it comes to WordPress, it could be a little different. Look at this. This is the traffic analytics of WordPress.org, and they have 18 million visitors. But from 18 million visitors, they make a lot more than what we make. They make $100 million to $200 million. So yes, our income is not ideal income. You can make a lot more money than we make if your content quality is better than ours. So what do we learn from this? More valuable content equals more money. Building website or content is not the biggest problem because Mavin is there to help. Mavin is free to start and link is in the description. All the information that you want to share with your audience are available on Google and YouTube. You just have to make your content as valuable as possible because traffic is out there. Go to Pinterest, go to YouTube, use Pinterest, use YouTube, or use other social media channels and share your content with people. When they love your website, they will click your links and buy from you. And that is the simplest process of making money online. This is what we do, and that's why we make videos and create content. Our videos and our content make us money. And if you want to learn how this lady earns $2 million per month for her company from another underrated platform, then watch this video right here. And if you want to learn about 800,000 customers that are waiting to buy from your link, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn about 3 AI softwares that can help you earn $70,000, then watch this video here. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, so everybody else learns how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next one.